Hello everyone, I'm Massimo, and today I'm going to show you how to install a hair system completely from scratch. Let's get started. The first thing I do is shave the area where the hair system will be installed. Here we have our top unique hair system. Look at this color. Wow, it's amazing. A beautiful purple shade with dark roots. I remove it from the package, look at the texture, try it on, and measure about 4 fingers from my forehead. I usually install my hair systems while they're wet. Now I comb the hair and remove the front lace using a pair of scissors. Here you can see the piece of lace we removed. Now we have our ultra hold tape, and we're going to place it all around the perimeter of the hair system. Now I install it. Look how beautiful it already looks. I quickly comb it into place. Look at how the roots are exactly the same color as my own natural hair. Now, because the front area is lace, I use a pair of tweezers to remove the protective film from the adhesive tape. Using the back of the tweezers, once the system is positioned correctly, I gently press along the front hairline to improve the adhesion. Now, with the help of a mirror, I'm going to do a pre-cut before going to the barbershop. I always like removing the excess length because it makes the barber's job much easier. Look at how it looks now. Now let's go to the barbershop. Here we are, sitting in the barber's chair. The color looks beautiful. Depending on the light, it changes between purple and pink. One thing I do have to tell you is that once hair has been processed with fantasy colors like this, the texture usually becomes a little rougher than natural brown or dark hair. Here my barber starts cutting the hair system. Using a comb and scissors, we continue cutting and cutting to integrate this top unique hair system, one of the best hair systems on the market. Now, using the thinning scissors, we continue texturizing the back of the neck and the nape area so everything blends naturally. We keep cutting. Let's speed this part up a little because from here on it's mostly about cutting and blending the hair system. Don't worry if the transition between the fantasy color and my natural hair looks a little strong at this point. We're going to fix that as we continue working. Now you can already see that the neckline and the back are completely blended. The haircut is already integrated. We continue cutting the top. Look how nice the shape around the neck, the ears, and the sideburns looks. Now we use the clippers. With the clippers we continue removing bulk and blending my own hair with the hair system. I absolutely love it. I love this color. It's modern, trendy, and completely different. Now we clean around the neckline and the ears. Then we go back with the clippers to remove even more bulk. It looks incredible. It looks amazing. I love it. I'm so happy. It even matches my earring. Now, with the thinning scissors, we continue blending the sides of the hair system with my own hair. We keep thinning out the hair and continuing with the haircut. This is one of the best techniques for people who wear hair systems. Removing some of the density makes the hair system look much more natural. Sometimes, when working with colored hair systems like this one, It's easier to dampen the hair before cutting because processed hair absorbs water much faster. We continue cutting the fringe and the top so everything blends perfectly. We keep cutting. I asked my barber to leave it a little shorter. Now we're point cutting the fringe and removing a little more length. At first I wanted a longer fringe, but we're going to keep cutting. Look how beautiful this color is. It's absolutely amazing. It's blending perfectly with my own hair because I dyed my natural hair beforehand to match these roots. Now we use the blow dryer. The blow dryer helps dry the hair and also removes all those little hairs left after the haircut. Look. The hair system stays exactly where it was installed. It doesn't move at all. We keep using the blow dryer. Now we continue cutting on dry hair, evening out the haircut and adding more texture. I'm going to style this look using a texturizing powder. It gives hold while keeping the hair full of movement. Now we're getting ready for the styling because the hair has to be completely dry. We make a few more cuts. We trim the fringe one last time. We keep point cutting the fringe and the sides. And now it's time for the magic powder. This product keeps the hairstyle in place while adding texture and movement. Most importantly, it allows me to play with the dark roots, creating the illusion of natural hair growth. We're almost finished. Look how it's turning out. I've worn blonde hair systems before, also with dark roots, but never a fantasy color like this one, somewhere between purple and pink. For a music video, this look is absolutely spectacular. For more information, visit topunique.com. We clean the neckline. And that's it, Top Unique and Mass Hairstyle.